everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Marianelly, and as you guys read already by today's title, I will be wet blopping my low porosity hair. This video was inspired by Jayme Jo. She just did a video on her channel about wet blopping, and I really wanted to try it out because I've never tried it out either, and that was actually her first time trying it out as well. So if you guys have not seen her video, I will link it down in the description box so you guys can go check out her video. But before we get into this video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys want to see more of my curly hair, my reviews, and my curly routines and stuff like that. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's the same name. I will leave my link in the bottom so you guys can just click it and go follow me. So yeah, I'm pretty excited for today's video because actually this is also my first time wet blopping. I've never blopped before. Reason because of that is because I do have low porosity hair, and I just feel like wet blopping will take forever and for always for me to dry my hair. Even though Jayme Jo did say on her video that it's actually supposed to dry your hair faster. I don't know, but we're gonna test it out today. I just feel like it does take longer because your hair is not air drying or you're not diffusing it. So that's why I never tried it, just because it already takes a long time for me to style my hair. If you're a curly girl, you guys know how long it does take. And plus I have a lot of hair, I have high density hair, so it does take a long time for me to style my hair. But before we get right into the video, I did want to say that I know I didn't upload last week just because I had a really crazy 2 weeks, the past 2 weeks. So first I got new internet, so I changed my internet, so I was out of internet for about 5 days. So I had to wait for my internet to come in, and then due to COVID they couldn't send a tech to come install the internet, so they actually ship out the internet for you, or I mean your router and browser, for you to install yourself. So it actually came in 3 packages because we actually got cable and internet and Wi-Fi with a Spectrum. So they shipped out 3 different boxes. It was that, so I couldn't upload over the weekend because over the weekend I didn't have internet. And then another thing was that I had ordered another SD card, a memory card for my camera, and I don't know what happened. I got it off Best Buy. I don't know what happened. It got lost. It never got to me. So I couldn't get my SD card. But yeah guys, it was just crazy for me for the past 2 weeks. And then work wise, also, so I was really bummed out that I couldn't upload a video because I did want to upload this video last week, but couldn't do it. So I'm doing it now. So I hope you guys really do enjoy this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and also thank you so much for everyone who has subscribed to my channel. It really does mean a lot to me. I really appreciate everyone who has subscribed to my channel and shows a love to my videos. Thank you so much, guys. Alrighty, so let's get into this video now, guys. So like I said, this is my first time wet blopping. I really wanted to try this technique out because this technique is really good for definition. It also supposed to give you a lot of volume. So I want to try it on my hair. Jayme Jo does say on one of her videos that she does have thin and fine hair. So she also did say that it is best recommended for that type of hair, just because it will give you more volume and it will define your curls the best. So I wanted to try it out on my hair. I do have 3A, 3B curls. So I hope it gives me a lot of more definition. My hair is long, so if you have long hair and you have low porosity hair, I hope this video helps you guys out, okay? I don't want to make this video too long, so let's get right into it. So basically I already washed my hair. I put it in a bun just because I wanted to do my makeup. I have not done my makeup in about 2 weeks since basically my last video. So yeah, it's been a while. I just wanted to just get pretty and just be out and just do this video for you guys. So Jayme Jo also said that if you guys soak your hair, then it's gonna give you more definition compared to damp styling. So I already damp style, so I will be damp styling. I'm gonna re-wet my hair just because it is more on the drier side. Okay, so I'm gonna start wetting my hair because I don't want it dry. I want it a little bit damped. So for today's products, I will be using the Moisture Balance Leave-In Conditioner by Bounce Curl. I will be using this as my leave-in. I mean, obviously it's a leave-in. And then I will be using the avocado and rose oil clump and define cream, since I think it will be good for clumping, basically for wet blopping. And for gel, she also recommended a stronghold gel, so I will be using my favorite gel, and it is the Ouidad stronghold gel. I have a little bit. I need to buy another one. So hopefully I can make this video using whatever I have. I'm waiting for them to have a sale, girl, because you already know these products are pretty pricey. But I really honestly love this gel. But yeah, so I am willing to spend the money on it. So I'm just waiting for a sale to come up. So I am going to just section my hair and to apply the products. So first, the leave-in. Whoops, that was a lot. Okay, it's gonna be for both sides. Actually, no, my hair needs a lot of more moisture. Now I'm gonna be applying the avocado. Now I'm gonna use my diamond brush to define the curls, and I am going to apply the gel after when I scrunch the curl. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this gel. Oh my god, guys, I hope I make it through. Whoops. Alrighty, so I am finally done styling my hair, putting on my products, and then I barely made it, guys. Like, barely made it. Oh my god, I can't believe I almost ran out. I didn't have any more. As you guys can see, that's it for me. That's it. I'm just gonna scrunch now. Oh, I hate this chair. I'm just gonna scrunch the hair just to give it more definition and for the curls to get to form a little better. All right, so now we're gonna move on to my little station that I have already for my for the blopping. So, I'm over here, cause yeah, so this is my station that I did to show you guys how I'm gonna do this. So basically, I'm just gonna use a long sleeve cotton t-shirt, just like she did in her video. And actually, she did it like this. So yeah, my neighbors are probably like looking at me and saying like, "Wow, what is she doing?" Okay, so what she basically did was just blop her hair onto this t-shirt. So here we go. Blop. I've never done this either, guys, so it's kind of awkward, and if I'm doing it wrong, please don't judge me. So blop, blop, blop. Actually, I can already see how nicely my curls are falling, so I hope this works out, guys. Okay, so then she rolled it up here to the top of her head. Then, this is a little weird. Okay. Then you're gonna throw this side over. Like this. Tuck these in to your ear. And then you're gonna grab so like a tamal, basically. Like if you're Latino, wrap your hair like a tamal. And then you're gonna grab the sleeves to secure your pillow. And boom! Oh my goodness, Lord Jesus, what? Okay, hold on. Let me move on to my other area. All right, guys, so I moved, and this is what I'm looking like. Wow. So then I'm gonna grab just gonna tie it around my head and secure it like so, like Jayme did. And that's it. This is really funny. Oh my god, girl, I look funny. Okay. There's a little colochito right here. She's cute. I'm gonna leave her out. It is now 10:26. I'm gonna try to wet blop for an hour. But yeah, so it is 10:26. Can you guys see that? So I'm gonna try to leave it on for an hour, guys, and then I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like. Okay, guys, so it's been an hour to be exact. I started at 10:26 and it is now 11:27, as you guys can see. So I just basically ate and did some things around the house, and yeah, so now it is time to take this off and see what my curls are looking like. Okay. Ooh. Let's see what this looks like. Okay, it's pretty. It's not, obviously it's not dried, but it is less than what it was wet when I initially started. So, okay, here you guys can see what it is looking like. I see a lot of curl formation already, and I have big clumps at the bottom, ringlets. That's really good. I can start seeing them already. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna diffuse now to finish the drying process, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. So I'm done diffusing my hair. It's like completely dry. It took me like 20 minutes to diffuse my hair, and I just want to show you guys what my curls are looking like. I'm loving the definition on the bottom curls. You guys see these big ringlets here? It's not fluffed out or anything, but it is dry already. Just want to show you guys what it looks like. I have like really big clumps of curls down here, and then definition here, as you guys can see. Alright, so I changed so you guys can see my curls a little better. Yeah, I am really liking my curls. I really like the definition I got from this. I think this is a good way for those of you who are on the go and you guys don't have really much time to diffuse. I think it's really good to do it after the shower and just blop your hair and put your curls on there, and then after just like go out and finish air drying throughout the day. But yeah, I really like the definition. It really gave me really good ringlets at the bottom. Like I said, I really like that. My hair is super soft and I really like it. I don't know, it just gave me like a lot of definition. I really like it. So I do recommend it for those of you who are starting your curly journey and want more defined curls. I think this is a really good way to get more defined, definition. I will definitely be incorporating this blopping in my routine because I really do like it. It's just it is time consuming. That's the only thing that I don't like about it. But yeah, as you guys can see, my results are really nice. I really like my curls. So definitely I really like this wash and go. I think it's really good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys like it and if you guys tried wet blopping before, please let me know in the comments below, or if you do try this and you like it, please let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I hope you guys are back to see my next video.